Use calendar pages to add a list of events to your site. This is a great way to feature concerts, meetings, book tours, or any event you host. To create a calendar page, first open the Pages panel and click the plus icon. Under Showcase, click Calendar. Then, select a layout. You can add and remove other types of sections on your page later. To add an event, first click the calendar page, then the plus icon. Add a title for your event. Click Date and Time to select a date and time. Then Back, and Location to add a location. Click the insert points to add blocks with text and other content. Hover over Publish to publish the event or schedule it for later publication. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.